I love how my trade almost hit stop loss. I don't know if your guys' spread did or not. Mine's is still open.
Yeah,
But
mine's
it's
open,
in
yeah.
stop loss. And it's in profit now. There it is, guys. Trade's triggered. 88's in. 100 points is all I want. If I get 50 out of it, that's more than enough for me. But what is the consolidation gonna do? There you go. You just broke out. There you go. All right, guys. That's what we wanted. Notice how candles will wick you out first. You notice how it wicked out first, and then it started going to the direction. The only way the fib is gonna actually work is if the body closes on that fib level. So obviously, if you go down to a lower time frame, it's gonna look different. But on the 30-minute, this is the way this is the way I see it. So I just want to see, because I'm seeing the buying pressure, but it's coming and going, coming and going. Guys, notice how this candle closed on the 15-minute on the previous one. Notice how this one just followed up. That's a candlestick pattern. The wick is the only thing that it's gonna happen on the manipulation in the market open. But if you just follow your stick formations, here, let me open out another tab. You're looking at something like this. It's a hammer. It's a hammer pattern. So just pay attention to those. Those are really, really important. Look at that, guys. We're in profit. We're in profit.
Did you pop another one at the 66?
You know me. Come on. The only problem is, dude, like, my charts look completely different. The charts are completely different from the actual MT4, and the MT4 is reacting completely different. There's a gap here on the MT4. Oh, here. Oh, there's one down the MT4. This candle needs to go above this previous 30-minute candle. Let me open up this. Guys, I usually trade open stop losses. Market open just to, because this is too short of a stop loss. If anything, you could give yourself a 100-point stop loss.
That's what I do always on.
Yeah, don't say it's not reasonable. It is reasonable. You guys got to use the right lot size to be able to use that type of SL. Rejection. That's also a candlestick pattern. Be aware. I just want to see a pullback. Keep pushing up. So for those who are looking at my chart and seeing the different colors, something I want you guys to understand, you guys see it all over social media and stuff like that. The reason why I had these colors on my charts is so that it doesn't mess up your psychology, and it doesn't give you that anxious feeling of seeing a red candle go down or a green candle go up. Usually that's the standard candle color pattern that they give you. So any beginner trader, that's how they get you, with those emotions of those candles, right? Every single time you see green, you see money, right? Every single time you see red, you see failure, right? So it's one of those things where it's like, I want you guys to understand, like, that's not the way it's supposed to work. You want to put neutral colors where it's not gonna mess up your psychology. I see purple, and it's just such a normal color for me. It's my favorite color, right? So that's why it's purple. White is just neutral. White means nothing, right? White could be anything. So that's why I want you guys to kind of like comprehend that. That's really important for your own psychology. I want you guys to make sure you guys take the time to kind of develop your own charts and your own way it looks, like your whole appearance of the looks. Yeah, man, it that's the whole point about trading, man. That's why I'm saying trading is 10% technicals and 90% psychology. If you guys don't have your psychology on point, you guys are gonna get chewed up with it. Is why I don't want you guys to like mess up your psychology because of it. The 1 hour candle's above it. So if this closes at the 61.8, then that would be a good buy up. It is looking good the way I want to see it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I think if it comes back up here, then that's looking kind of good. Bro, you're doing so good, and the last minute always does some. So I am in on this trade, guys. I do have a stop loss above, below this little wick right here. Be very cautious of that. I'm gonna see what she does here. All right, so stop loss hit for me. It actually hasn't hit it. I love how my trade almost hit stop loss. I don't know if your guys' spread did or not. Mine's is still open.
Yeah, mine's open now.
Stop loss. And it's in profit now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Guys, I have 2 entries. Here, same structure I kept telling you guys that, and up here. All right. I don't lie when I take my trades. I like you guys to see everything. Let's see what happened here with US 30. I want to see some more buying up pressure. TP is at 100 points. So it really needs to push up. I really want to see it do its thing. When you can't hold the red, you can't make the bread, right? We hold the red and we made the bread. I only saw like, it was like 500 negative or something like that. So I didn't see too much negative. Almost maybe hit 1,000 maybe. Now here's the thing. This is valid, but this can also be valid. I find it crazy how people take 12 trades to make $1,000 when all you need is 1 or 2 good trades to make $1,000.
Comes down to lot size, to be honest.
No, and the thing is, I've seen like accounts where they're like my lot sizes, like the 0.25s or even higher, and it's like they'll take like $200, $300, like $100. They'll take $80. I'm like, why? Just wait for it. That's showing me that you're not being patient with the market. Just hold the trade. Show me that you're seeing a structure. You're opening and closing trades in areas that are not even like structures, you know? And it's like the hope game. Like, oh, I hope it goes up. Like, I want you guys to understand that it just takes 1 or 2 trades and that's it. If you guys want to do 3 or 4, okay, I get it, you know? You guys are scaling in, but don't be opening and closing 12 trades to make $1,000. I get it. If it's your style of trading, I have nothing against it. But if you guys are in this group, it's for a reason. It's to learn a 100-point strategy where you guys can make $500 to $1,000 in 30 minutes or so. I just don't know how long this trade's gonna take. So that's the problem too. Like lately, we've been having to wait such a long time for the trades. Yeah, after seeing this 1 hour candle pull this off in the 30 minutes, this is a 30-minute candle that really just took out the previous 1 hour. I'm seeing all that buying pressure for the next 30 minutes and continuation up here. It's only been 2 minutes into the 30-minute candle. So this is just gonna be like that manipulation to entice people to sell it, and then it will probably continue buying up. It could sell off from here. It is a market structure. I have the head and shoulders pattern, but I think everyone's looking at that, so it's not gonna give us that. US 30 is selling. Look at that. The psychology behind the market is trying to trap, right? Everyone's trying to sell it, right? Because it's been overbought for a while now. So what is it going to do? Just continue trapping people. So I wouldn't be surprised if it pushes above this wick we have here. Whoa, where is this line from? Did I draw this line by mistake? Oh. Yeah, we already hit that. I was saying, like, where's that line from? So yeah, so right now, what I'm waiting for is this right here. So now it's just waiting. It's the waiting game. Look at the 1 hour. Your 1 hour pushed up aggressively above structure. So I don't think it's gonna come back down like that. And if it does, the next one's just gonna buy right back up. So I just want to be patient here. Let it come up here, and that's where the take profits are. It'd be crazy if this candle just pushes up and flips to the upside on the US30. Guys, what did I tell you was gonna happen with that candle? What I don't like is the hanging man pattern, but it's the fact that towards the end it pushed up, no wick to the top. So if this candle closes like a hanging man pattern on the 30-minute, I'm gonna close out my trades. I don't even want to hold it. It's not the best market right now for us, but profit is profit.